So much happening on the entertainment scene, it was hard to pick just 5, but we managed. Take a look. Neil breaks down his poly relationship. Not 1, not 2, but 3 women. Neil sat down with Sherry Shepherd to explain his polyamorous relationship, stating that he's in one relationship with 3 women. And no, the woman cannot date someone else. I guess it's really different strokes for different folks, for real, don't it? Mr. Vegas sues Bounty Killer for defamation. Vegas says enough is enough and took it straight to court. He claims his reputation took a hit and he suffered loss and damage after alleged defamatory statements made by Bounty Killer. But Rodney and Clifford, this one getting serious. Ninja Man's son had a stroke in prison. Janiel Ballantyne, son of dancehall artist Ninja Man, reportedly collapsed in his cell and was later diagnosed with a stroke. He has since been moved to the medical dorm with plans underway for a transfer to a facility better equipped to handle his condition. We hope he has a speedy recovery. A$AP Rocky takes aim at Drake on a new track. Drake really can't catch a break. A$AP Rocky's new song, Stole My Flow, fires multiple shots. From echoing Kendrick Lamar's BBL Drizzy jokes to the song's chorus saying, "You stole my flow, so I stole your girl," a clear reference to Drake's previous relationship with Rihanna. Whoever is the referee for the rap game, I beg ya, blow the whistle for me there. And finally, holding the spot this week, Nicki Minaj gets to keep her mansion. Nicki won't have to sell her $20 million Los Angeles home after a judgment involving a bodyguard allegedly assaulted by her husband was settled. Paul Sasso, the lawyer of the assaulted former security guard, said the rapper agreed to pay in the 11th hour. Paper paid, house stays. Still, how Nicki end up holding the bill if it's Kenneth assault the man? That's it for the Intense 5. For all the juicy details on entertainment happenings, hit up our IG and TikTok page. Up next, Quick Cook talks about, well, everything. We'll soon forward.